In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the best Airbnb discount codes. Just a heads up, we will be using several websites to help us find these coupons. Besides the ones we're going to check out today, feel free to explore and discover others that might offer even more discount opportunities. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up a new tab in your web browser. If you're using Google, type Airbnb discount code into the search bar and hit enter. This will pull up a variety of results, and from there, we're going to focus on two particular websites, couponfollow.com and groupon.com. Let's head over to couponfollow.com first. Once you're on their site, locating a discount code is straightforward. Simply find an offer that catches your eye and click Show Coupon Code. This will reveal the code that you can use. Go ahead and copy that code so it's ready to be applied to your Airbnb booking later on. The great thing about this site is its simplicity. You get the code with just a couple of clicks, making the whole process quick and easy. Now let's switch gears and visit groupon.com. The procedure here is pretty much the same as on Coupon Follow. Browse through the available offers, and when you see one that appeals to you, click See Code. Make sure you copy this code as well, as you'll need it when booking your stay on Airbnb. It's important to note that these codes can vary in terms of discounts and conditions, so pay close attention to any specific terms that might apply. Sometimes codes may only be valid for certain destinations, lengths of stay, or types of accommodations. Always make sure you understand the details to avoid any surprises during the booking process. Once you've gathered your codes from these websites, the next step will be to apply them to your Airbnb booking. While we won't be covering that process in detail in this video, don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll be releasing another video soon that will walk you through the steps to redeem these codes successfully on Airbnb. And there you have it, a quick and easy method to find the best Airbnb discount codes. With these strategies, you can save some money on your next travel adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great travel tips and tricks. Happy travels, and see you in the next video.